guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to talk to you guys today. Please excuse my hair if it looks crazy. Please excuse any noise you may hear in the background, and please excuse my clothing rack. Like, this is what it looks like regularly, and it's real life, y'all. So yeah, but today I'm gonna be shooting a skincare unpackaging video for you guys because I just ordered a whole bunch of skincare. Like, my skin isn't bad, but it's not how I want it to be. I want to give that illusion like of glass skin and all that stuff there. So I've ordered like a bunch of skincare from The Ordinary, and also have one thing from Paula's Choice. So I'm gonna get into the first product, and these are all from The Ordinary. It's really called, I don't want to pronounce it wrong. It's Deciem, Deciem, I don't know. But this is the box that it came in. But yeah, this is the box that it came in. Real cute, I like it. Then it just came with like this brown paper. So the first skincare product that I have is their natural moisturizing factors plus hyaluronic acid. I don't really know these terms about skincare, so please forgive me. But it's hyaluronic acid, and it's a surface and hydrating formula. And it just comes in this box. And like, it's really, I really like the packaging, how it feels like matte. But this is a moisturizing, it's say hydrators and oils. And I need that because I have combination to dry skin. And like, since summer's come up, I know my skin is gonna kind of dry out, even though I know it tends to probably dry out more in the winter. But I just know my skin, like, I know what it's gonna do. So the next product we have is the Cylironic Acid 2% Masque. Now, it says formulated for blemish prone skin, and it's direct acid, and it's a mask, like I just said. And I'm like super excited to try this product because I've actually wanted to like get more into trying a mask. So I feel like this will probably be like a good beginner, and I've been hearing a lot of good things about it because, trust me, I've been like researching skincare before I buy it because I'm scared my face gonna break out because I have sensitive skin. So, you know, you just have to be careful about those things. So next we have the Squalane Cleanser, the Squalane based face cleanser and makeup remover. And it obviously is a cleanser. Now this, I don't really need a new cleanser, but I would like to try one because I've also been hearing some real good things about this. So yeah, but I'm not gonna use it to remove makeup because I don't ever really use any product to remove makeup because like I use makeup wipes. Don't crucify me. So the next item that we have is the caffeine solution 5% plus EGCG, and they say it reduces appearance of eye contour, pigment, and puffiness. Now I've actually got this eye cream because I want to try, I always wanted to try an eye cream, but this is more of an eye oil, like serum, eye serum. That's what it is, an eye serum. It's more of an eye serum more than a cream. I don't really have puffiness, but I feel like I kind of have a little dark circles, as y'all can see like on the camera. I have like a little dark circles, so I just want to get rid of those, and hopefully, I pray it works because I've heard some good stuff about this as well. Next we have the Hyaluronic Acid 2 plus B5. It's a hydrating support formula with ultra pure vegan hyaluronic acid. Super excited for this because this is for dry skin. I need it. I get like very dry skin, like right here around the nostril of my nose and kind of like in my T-zone, like in between my eyes, like. Yeah, so I'm like super excited to use this serum. Also, we have another serum, and this is the Retinol 0.2% in Squalane, and it's a highly sustainable water-free solution of pure retinol. I think this is supposed to minimize pores or like just calm down your skin texture. Yeah, I've been on it. But yeah, it's supposed to calm down your skin texture and all that stuff. Because I told her I'm trying to achieve the glass skin. Like, even if it's fake, I'm still trying to achieve it because that's just what I want to do, and that's what we're going to do. So yeah, heard good things about this as well. Everything that I bought, I heard good things about it because I don't be playing, man. And the last serum that we have is the Niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1%, and this is a high strength vitamin and mineral blemish formula. I heard this also is really good with blemishes, and I cannot wait to try it. I know I'm not supposed to be using all these serums together, so like I'm gonna have to like kind of break it down on like what days I use what, because I know that's like the safest. But yeah, I'm like super excited. So the last thing that I got from The Ordinary is their Serum Foundation. I got the shade 3.1 yellow, and it's dark yellowish tone because I do have like yellow kind of like reddish undertones, but I'm mainly kind of straight towards yellow a little bit. Like all my foundations are kind of either on the yellow or neutral end. So yeah, this is their Serum Foundation. It's lightweight serum formula, and it's like coverage, and I feel like this is going to be great since the summer is coming up, because I'm finna be taking all these trips, doing all these things, and personally me, I don't like wearing heavy foundation during the summer. It's just uncomfortable to me. I don't like it. So I feel like with like a BB cream, CC cream, like a tinted moisturizer, or like a lightweight foundation, light coverage foundation is like perfect, because I don't want to be caked up in the summer. It's not cute. So next we have the Paula's Choice, or something from Paula's Choice. I'm pretty sure y'all probably know what I have from Paula's Choice. It is one of their most famous products. I've been hearing about it. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So this is just the packaging. I'm covering up the address where it got shipped to, but this is just the packaging. Real simple, real nice. It's skincare, I don't care. Now, this is a tiny bottle because I want to try it, so I got their travel size, but this is the 2% BHA liquid exfoliant, Salicylic acid. And this is for all skin types, y'all. I am so happy to try this exfoliant, because I know you're not supposed to use exfoliants with like beads and stuff. So like the fact that it's like a liquid exfoliant, in my opinion, it's like a A++++. I've never tried an exfoliant before, so this will be my first time, which is why I got the travel size, and I want to see how my skin reacts to it. But like I'm excited because like everybody that ever tried it, like it's always been good reviews of it. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get in and tell you guys my total. So my total for The Ordinary, it was $57.10 plus $4.71 was the tax, and my grand total came out to be $61.81. And for Paula's Choice, the little travel size BH liquid exfoliant was $8.50 plus $5.50 plus $1.16, and my total came out to be $15.16. Like my grand total. So excited to try all these products, so I will keep y'all updated most definitely. And thank y'all so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Oh my god, wait. Thank y'all so much for 100 subscribers. Like, I didn't know it was gonna happen like this, but thank you guys so much for 100 subscribers. I am so grateful and thankful for all of you. Without you guys, I wouldn't be able to do this. So we're aiming for 1,000. I know it's a big leap from 100 to 1,000, but I really have faith in y'all, and I know y'all have faith in me. So let's go ahead and get it done. But yes, thank y'all guys so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I love you guys. See you guys later.